Hi, my name is Rami,
My name is Ola.
and welcome to the fourth module of partner work combinations. Let's go. All right, so let's start with the hand locks. Hand locks look like this. You can either do it to the lady or to yourself. And now, to do them correctly, your partner needs to understand the positions of the hands and what they mean. So, there are three positions. If I want to make a turn, I will either go on this side or on this side. I can even change hands. And there is the next position, which is here, which is just leading and following basic. Or you can do the crossbodies and the 360s, etc. If the hand goes down, this is a follow-up, like we did with the hammer lock. Turn and follow up. And now the last position is if you go up and then down. And this is the hand lock. So no turns are done like this. For the lady to understand this is the partner will put the hand in the middle above her head. So not on the right, not on the left, just in the middle. Then you know there is going to be a hand lock, because otherwise she would have to guess which way I'm going to turn her, which I won't do, because if I want to turn her this way, I will go on this side. If I want to turn her the other way, I will go on this side. Okay? So make sure in the middle above the head. So you can do hand locks with different hands. You can do with the same hand. You can do with the opposite hand, and either to yourself or to the partner. You can go even inside, or you can do doubles here, or opposite here and here. If you're doing two hand locks, make sure to either do them all together on one after the other. Now the important thing from the female perspective is,
Yes, ladies, please keep your hands as long as you feel your partners keep your hands as well. So, if he does do the movement, I keep my hands unless I feel okay. I can have my hand back in the same position. After every position, even here or here, my hands are coming back in this position always.
exactly. So if you don't feel that I am releasing the hand, just keep it there. Even if I release the hand, keep it just for a moment, like a second or two, because there's even one combination that looks like this, where I can even use the elbows to turn. So keep it just a little bit. Excuse me. So now, you can connect it with every type of partner work. Let's start with the turn. So maybe the basic right turn is 1, 2, 3, prepare, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It usually goes around the 5, 6, these hand locks. Second hand, same thing, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Different turns, same technique. So we can even do it like this, 2, 3, with cross bodies, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is a really cool technique where you can do some musicality with the music. This is taken mostly from Cuban salsa, where they do it also where the partner is behind the follower, like here. And also you can do flicks and hand locks from here. Same thing, but this will be in an other part where the partner is on the other side. This is a little bit more difficult because it needs more connection. The most important thing here is the hands of the follower cannot be too tense, because then we are fighting with each other. Just keep the connection with your fingers, and of course the wrists go down, and the rest will be loose. So if you're doing it correctly, this part of the muscles will be loose. It won't be tensed up. So let's do it maybe with a couple of turns. First right turn, left turn, we'll change the hands, do interlocking hands.
Ladies, just relax the hands, especially this part.
Exactly. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Right turn from the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can do a crossbody lead. Right turn, left turn, sorry. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and boom. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can do the other hand. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So just play with each hand and just remember to keep this magnet, keep the hand loose, and the same for the leader. Don't do too much sudden movement. Take your time. You have the 4, 5, 6 to do the whole move. And of course, in the middle, up and down.
Also, please keep your elbows a little bit up. So don't do this, but always here. This position could be a little dangerous when you dance in a dance floor where is a lot of couples, because then you can just hit someone. So be careful and keep your elbows high.
Exactly. Same thing for the leaders. If I'm doing a flick like this, I go away as much as possible from the head of my partner, and my elbows go up. If I do it here, same thing. It goes up, not here, because if I will do a turn afterwards, I can hit my partner. We're here, it goes up, and we're safe. So try to mix it to your everyday partner work. Okay, so maybe let's try it with the music, and we will just do different variations. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. So we'll start with the same hand. We will do locks to the partner, and then the leader will do it to himself. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. With turns, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Now we change hands, opposite hands. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Single. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the double. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. There is also the last one. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So just remember, you go in the middle, up and down, keep the hands connected but without any tension other than the fingers, and elbows go up away from the head of your partner. And just play with it. Try different hands, try once yours, once you do the lock to you, once to the lady, doubles, singles, opposite hands. Just play with it and have fun.
Ladies, just remember always elbows in this position and have the hands relaxed.
Exactly. Enjoy.